Hello boys and girls, today we are going to do a lesson with area and perimeter called Mosaic Math. Throughout this unit we have learned about finding the area of squares and rectangles and finding the perimeter of polygons. Now we are going to learn about a type of art called mosaics. During this lesson we will make our own mosaics and then find the area and perimeter of our mosaic by using the math skills we have already learned. First, we need to review area and perimeter. Area is the amount of space within a shape. Area is measured in square units. For example, area can be measured in square feet or square inches. To find the area of a square, we multiply side times side. To find the area of a rectangle, we multiply length times width. In this example, the area of the rectangle is 3 inches times 2 inches, which equals 6 square inches. Perimeter is the length of the outline of a shape. Perimeter is measured in units of length, such as inches, feet, or miles. To find the perimeter of a closed polygon, we add the length of each side to find the total. In this example, we add all 4 sides of the rectangle together to get 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3, which equals 10. So the perimeter is 10 inches. Now that we have reviewed area and perimeter, we can begin to explore the mosaic art form. So what is a mosaic? A mosaic is a type of art where small pieces are placed together to create a bigger picture or design. Mosaics are most commonly made out of glass, ceramic tiles, paper, or a combination of many different materials. There are many different types of mosaics. A mosaic may be a picture, a pattern, or an abstract work of art. The key to making a mosaic is to make sure that small pieces are being put together to make one larger piece of art. There are many different ways to make a mosaic, depending on what types of materials are being used. Many glass and ceramic mosaics are put together with a special type of cement. Artists take time placing each tile carefully while making their mosaic. We are going to be making paper mosaics and we will use glue to hold our mosaics together. For the next few minutes, we will be looking at the step-by-step process of how to make a geometric paper mosaic. First, an artist needs to decide on what materials they would like to use. Once they have decided, the artist gathers all of the materials needed to make their mosaic. We have already decided to use glue, white paper, and construction paper squares and rectangles to make our mosaics. After the materials have been gathered, the artist begins to create a design. In this example, I chose to make a heart-shaped mosaic. In order to make the shape just the way I wanted it, I laid my pieces down on a sheet of paper and moved them around until I was happy with the shape I created. Once the artist is happy with the design they created, they begin to carefully glue each piece down. As you glue the pieces down, make sure to place the pieces neatly next to each other and not to use too much glue. Gluing the pieces neatly with the right amount of glue will help you create a beautiful and sturdy mosaic. After all of the pieces have been glued down, make sure to allow your mosaic to sit and dry so that the pieces do not get accidentally moved. Once your mosaic has dried, you are able to start finding the area and perimeter of your shape. Remember, area is the amount of space inside, and perimeter is the length around. Use the construction paper squares and rectangles to find the area and perimeter of your mosaic. Thank you for watching this video. Now it's your turn to go make your very own mosaic. Feel free to return to this video if you get stuck or need any help.